Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Tactical Black Guy here, also known as Preston. I appreciate you guys joining for another video. Today I'm going to do a really quick unboxing of this brand new duffel bag that I got in from Amabilis. So I want to send a shout out to the founder, CEO, and chief product tester, Mr. Brian Abrams, for sending this out to me for review. We've been going back and forth talking about this, and he was able to get one to me, so I really appreciate that. These go for $139. Now I'm not going to get into all the specs in this video. This is just essentially giving you an overview of this duffel bag. So this is the Dave Jr. duffel bag. This has been out for quite a while, but it is super high quality. If you just look at it, it really is a nice bag. You got some company branding here on the outside, Amabilis. You have places for your morale patches. You got YKK zippers. Got a really high quality carrying handle and carrying strap, which is also padded and adjustable. This is also waterproof. That's what it looks like on the inside. You got a lot of space in there. This is a 18 by 10, and you can carry up to 25 liters in here. Now this is made out of a heavy duty premium waterproof tarpaulin and armor plated super fabric. That armor plated super fabric is here at the bottom. So this bag is nearly indestructible, and it's going to last a long time. This bag kind of reminds me of the duffel bags that I used to use when I was in the military. This is the same kind of quality. So I'm looking forward to testing this bag out. What I'm going to do is I'll take it with me to the gym. I may take it on some hikes and do some further testing with it. I'm going to come back for a full review. However, I already know this bag is exceptional because I've seen it in person before, and I've seen several reviews on it. So look out for the full review. Again, guys, this is the Amabilis Dave Jr. duffel bag. I'm Tactical Black Guy, and I'm out. Peace.